Ding dong. Chairman Powell is saying, hey, it's Eric Osnes here with Homebridge Financial Home Mortgage with my weekly update on mortgage rates, the economy for the week ending December 2nd, 2022. Well, 3 weeks ago, we got some great CPI inflation numbers and the bond markets rallied, dropping mortgage rates over 0.5% in less than a day. It was the best rally we'd seen in years. But within hours of that rally, several Fed governors made speeches to try to scare rates back higher. They want rates to continue rising to slow the economy and reduce inflation. The same pattern continued since then. Bond rally, scary speech. Bond rally, scary speech. Until this Wednesday. That's when Fed Chairman Jerome Powell gave us an early present, stating that the Fed may soon be ready to soften their stance on future rate hikes. Powell's softer tone gave us a nice, unexpected rally this week, pushing mortgage rates lower. We still expect the Fed to hike their Fed funds rate to 0.5% at their next meeting, which is on December 14th. But that's already cooked into today's rate, so future hikes beyond that may be less severe. Friday morning, we got some headlines that set us back a little bit with a stronger jobs report than expected, up 263,000 jobs against expectations of about 200,000. But the household survey, which is a more in-depth report, involves the telephone surveys of over 20,000 people, showed that 186,000 people left the labor force. That's a huge discrepancy, is difficult to reconcile. The unemployment rate stayed about the same at 3.7%, but labor force participation dropped to 62.1%. That's a low number and a concerning statistic, also another indicator of a slowing economy in the months ahead. But for the week, rates were down. Here are the national averages. Conventional 30-year fixed rate, 6.34%. That's down 0.86% from a month ago. 15-year fixed rates, 5.78%. That's down 0.82% from a month ago. 30-year FHA and VA fixed rates, 5.8%, down 0.92 from a month ago. And 30-year fixed rate jumbo, 5.75%. That's down about 0.45% from a month ago. Also, in other news, we have higher loan limits available today. Every year around Black Friday, the Federal Housing Finance Agency, that's FHFA, announces loan limits for the following year. The numbers are in and they're significantly higher, up almost $80,000 from our current loan limits. Washington State has two loan limit tiers. We have a conforming loan limit that's available in all counties that allows down payments as low as 3% for first-time home buyers. And we have a special loan limit, higher limit, for King, Snohomish, and Pierce counties. These are called high balance limits. Those have a minimum down payment of 5%. Here are the current limits. So the conforming limit for all counties for a single family home, $726,200. 2-unit property, $929,850. A 3-unit property, $1,123,900. And a 4-unit property, $1,396,800. And for King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties, they're even higher. The high balance limits for a 1-unit property, $977,500. That's up from $891,250 for 2022. A 2-unit property, $1,251,400. A 3-unit, $1,512,650. And a 4-unit, $1,879,850. These are some great numbers. There are also some jumbo loan programs that may have lower rates, but jumbo loans also have much more restrictive underwriting guidelines. It's my job as a experienced loan officer to explore all the options available to you so we can discuss the nuances of each program and the benefits of each program. I'm personally licensed to lend in Washington, Oregon, California, Hawaii, Arizona, and Florida, but I also have associates in every other state in the nation as well who can help. So just reach out if you'd like to see the loan limits for any of these other states. I'll get them right to you. If you've been on the sidelines due to the higher rates this year, things are looking better. Rates are down almost a full percent from the highs of this summer. Loan limits are up, and home prices are no longer rocketing skyward like they have been for so many years here. Some sellers are even paying closing costs. It's time to reach out and run some updated numbers. Hope this information is helpful for you. I'm available to answer your questions or run those numbers. Just reach out. You can call me 206-915-3742. That's 206-915-ERIC, or you can email me, eric@ericismybanker.com. Have a great week. I'll talk to you next week.